got it?
Oh, beat. That may be a decent.
Fluky? Ooh, nice little bowl there. That looks like a good one, huh?
She's decent. She's better than the ones we've been catching, I believe. She's nothing huge by any means.
Old fluke master.
You know the fluke gets the job done spitting up shad.
Spot.
Yeah. Golly, look at all that stuff you just spit up, Pete.
Mmm.
See, they're up there gourd. No wonder he hit that thing, bro. How about that for the first cast of the day?
How about it? Old fried daddy though.
Got him there?
I'm about to reel it in.
Oh, they're up there school.
Oh yeah, look at him up there. I done woke him up. Done woke him up, folks.
Dude, they're going insane up there. I can't get my big one. Let's see if I can get real rhythm up there. That's a real big one there. Got him? Oh,
I had him. Didn't get a hook in him though.
probably because he's this size. You got 4 out hookers there. You can't get it out. How about that? How about that? How about Bassmaster keel in on him, baby? That's a better fish there, too.
Here, bro.
Nice little hybrid.
That fluke be doing numbers.
Oh, there's another one with him, too. Bro, throw that fluke over there, bro. I do. Because there's one with him. I know they're going to stick back. See if you can awake one with that thing. Dang, bro, we should have brought the cooler. Parents, bro. Got him. Come up right here at the boat. It's because that's where that brake line's at. We're in 14 right here. So he probably came up in about 10.
I think I hit him in the call.
He just hit it, bro. It's a monster, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
Smaller than you, we'd had a nice little limit with the cooler.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. We have been on the counter today. He's not bad. He just tried at it.
She just sigh.
He's not bad.
Should have brought that cooler.
Should have, bro. We'd had 20 easy. We already up to about 10, at least.
I bought chick a clicker the other day. Or crappy jig.
That's why I don't care. Like, you got him.
Pulled that Tracy out on him. Caught it sitting down, folks. Sound like a decent one.
He's right here. We're supposed to be too.
You should have caught the cooler, bro. You could have gave somebody a mess of fish. Blessed them on this Easter day.
Oh, I missed him, B. We almost doubled up.
That's perfect too, Clay.
Dang right, bro.
You're so stupid, bro. You gotta bring a cooler, bro.
Oh, he spit it. Oh, he's on it again.
One of them bit my swimmer when I threw it up there.
Really?
Yeah.
He just swatted it, didn't he?
I don't think so.
Bro, it's a tank.
Is it? No. I seen it, bro.
Not a tank. I ain't gonna lie, it's not a bad one. It's actually a decent one, bro. He fell victim to that Real Rhythm Southbound Productions.
That one.
I throw that big old little stick up there, big stick.
See if I can dial one up.
See how they was chasing that Real Rhythm? It was talking to them, southbound language.
I'm about to play that Japanese little stick. And they're on it.
Dude, they're murdering that topwater Real Rhythm style. That's a better fish, dude. No, I just hit it sideways.
And we could have kept that guy a mess of fish. Happy Easter.
They might only want southbound production.
I can't get up there though. It's throwing farther than this.
Get mine then.
Yeah. Sling this one. That ought to be. I don't know.
It's not bad fish up there, bro. It ain't as giants. I gotta make our video, bro, for YouTube.
It's a largemouth.
It's not.
No?
It's probably a hybrid. It looks like one though, don't it?
It looks like a largemouth, bro.
He just ain't got. He's got a rough spot on his.
Tongue?
Yeah, he's got that spot mouth. You didn't cut him that slack. I love the sound that braid makes when you're reeling them in. I'm telling you, bro, they're not big fish, but they're not bad.
That's not bad.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Shit, we should have kept him for that guy up there. Look at the throw these in the bottom of the boat. Cool. We should have went and got some of that while you was home. While I was home.
Yeah. How about them apples? Baby finally got you. Ooh, that's a better. I think it's a hybrid. Oh no, yeah. Is it a hybrid? I think. Yeah. What are you doing up here? Oh, that might be a white bass. I can't tell.
Been a nice little fillet. We won't be there.
God, dude, these gnats are on one today.
We could have had that man a nice little mess of fish.